welcome back to Sleep Barbecue. My name is Lance from St. Mary's County, Maryland. And we're going to do a 10-pound pork butt. And we're going to cook it overnight at 225 degrees. I'm anticipating about 15 hours. We're going to go slow. And let's see how good this thing is going to turn out. So one of the things we're going to be using is Uncle Steve's SPG called All American Salt, Pepper, and Garlic. And I'm sure there's other stuff in there, but we'll have to buy a bottle to see. And that's our main coat. We are going to put a little bit of Uncle Steve's Competition Pig Shake in there, just for a little bit of sweetness. And then we're going to top it off with Uncle Steve again, his barbecue sauce, the sauce with no name. Looking pretty. First probe in 9 hours. It ain't nowhere near it. Yeah. 146. Closer than I thought it was going to be. 150. 158. So I'm going to get this closed back up and we're going to let it cook some more. All right, there you have it. I am, let's see, 12, 13, 14, 15 and a half hours into it. But she's done. Temping at 204. Big old blade bone. I think it's gonna pull easily. If not, then oh well. But we're letting this puppy cool and we'll get back to you later. Still way too hot to pull, but as you can see, that blade bone came right on out of there. All right, y'all, there you have it. 15 and a half hours, I believe it was. 12, 13, 14, 15 and a half hours, yes sir. I got a big old pile of pulled pork. Michelle, my wife, aka Mrs. Sleeper, is already eaten. So I've just been nibbling, wanted to get this thing pulled. And because my doctor might be watching, Dr. Mike, I'm going to just sample some of this pork. Yes, I'm using my hands, my fingers, because I'm eating it. And of course, we gotta go with Uncle Steve. This is Uncle Steve cook, I believe you can call it. Uncle Steve cook. The sauce with no name. So we're gonna put a little bit of that on there. And get us a taste of it. Wife said it was great. And I concur. Excellent cook, long cook. I wanted to use my stick burner. But after I start doing a little calculating, like, geez, I'm not going to be able to keep that thing burning that long, especially when I started at 1:30 a.m. in the morning. I went to bed. So Smoke Daddy Pellet Pro 2300 pulled us through again, an overnighter, into 5:30, yeah, no, I'm sorry, 4:30 this afternoon, July 3rd, 2023. Hope you all enjoy your 4th of July. We are. Got plenty of pulled pork to eat. God bless you all. God bless America. Thank you.